What's going on, y'all? My name is Yapster and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I mentioned that my car did get egged and it received some damages, and I just wanted to give you guys a little update from what happened when I checked in back with the cops. So basically what happened was I was given the runaround. It wasn't important enough for them to investigate further than they did, which meant that nothing happened. So that means that I have to pay for the damages myself. But in my previous video I also mentioned that I'm most likely going to get a carbon fiber hood to replace the damage, or to fix the damages. Well, a couple days later my buddy found out that my car got egged, and I told him about the damages, and apparently there's going to be a sale going on about this week, I think, with APR. Oh no, I'm sorry, with Seaborn Carbon Fiber. And pretty much, you know, they're gonna be having sales with all their carbon fiber goodies and all their parts, so which that benefits me. But today I have something a little exciting for you guys. I bought a big wing for my car. According to Google, rear spoilers, when correctly designed, interrupt or spoil this flow in a manner that reduces drag. Most spoilers do spoil the smooth flow of air over the car's roof, thus filling the vacuum formed behind the car by inducing turbulence that decreases drag. Blah 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 blah. All I hear is that spoilers make your car go fast. So I bought one. So today I will show you guys a how-to video on how to install that spoiler. Alright, let's get. Alright y'all, let's get started. So dirty. Oh, by the way guys, look what happened since the last time I saw you. Someone keyed my car. Very terrible. Oh well, shit happens. We've learned that since my car got egged. But here we go. Here's gonna be the install for the big wing. So first what you want to do is you're gonna want to get a measuring tape, right? And you're gonna measure it so you get it halfway, so you get it both downforce even in both sides. So what you're gonna do is get some tape right over here. Oh, it's windy. Gonna measure out right at the edge there. Gonna tape that guy right there. Cool. And you're gonna go on right over here, and you're gonna take this side. Ooh, perfect. So it's roughly about 36 inches. Is it? Can't count, whatever. So get another piece of tape. Yep. Oop, something fell. And it's gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so then from then on you have the middle point. 36 divided by 2 is going to be 18, so that's your middle point. And then from then on you get your big wing. There it is guys, very big wing right there, right? Yes, at 19, at 17, right over there. Cool. So once you get that measured out, just going to take these. So I'm not going to bolt it on just because, you know, these are like the stickiest shits on earth. Just peel these little guys off right there, like so. Right. Oh, and by the way, I already cleaned the surface right here with a microfiber towel, just so you know it doesn't get scratched up. So you just peel both of those right there. Oh shoot, I littered. Oh well. So then you get a 19 and 17 right about. Oh, is it center? Is it center? Is it? I think it's about center right there. Oh, it's not flat. There we go. And you just set it down, and you press firmly down, just like so, right? You hold that down for about 30 seconds. Who's counting? Alright, now we have successfully put on a big wing install on my Focus RS. Now guys, tell me how that looks right over there. Wing on a wing, double the downforce, double the horsepower right there, double the everything. Wow, oh my. Double. Two's better than one, you know, size does matter. I'm gonna put that right over here, size matters. Little gag, but yeah, there we go. Hopefully this shit don't fly off when I get to the freeway, but here's a few more angles of that bad boy. Oof. I can already feel the downforce. It's already spoiling. Bam. Look at it. It's carbon fiber, by the way. You know, that adds like extra 10 horsepower to the extra horsepower you already added. But there you have it. The big wing install in under about 2 minutes. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like button or comment down below, and if you like what you saw today, go ahead and click that subscribe button. My name is Yapster once again, and thank you for watching. Later.